ke skunde e kaunti ma Mombasa ka ing'yo jopuonjre kindigni 4 nyaka 5 e skunde mag primar. Chenro moyangi kaunti ma Mombasa mar puonjo gi yor lony manyasani kapod gitindo jopuonjre 50,000 dhi yudo thuolo kata malo 70 e timo e skunde mag piny owacho. Gavana ma Mombasa Abdul Samad Nasir okwayo jonyuol mondo osir nyithigi e yudo lony makamano ka osingo konyo chwalo kony mag masinde masiro tiegruok makamae.
So let's clap for them. So we are showcasing.
With this, we are now going to roll out to all our schools, train teachers, and we are going to form a community of practice where we will be meeting monthly just to review and to learn from best practices from our schools.
And when we started all through, we started with only 2 kids who right now actually one of them got a scholarship to Stanford University, and another one was taken full scholarship with an international school, and he's finishing up. Actually, he's just coming from Turkey.
And this is something that I think can be replicated and implemented in other countries throughout the country, because this is something that is going to benefit our children for now and also in their future.
There is no doubt whatsoever that we live at a time when every child, every single child, is probably more digitally inclined than those who are of an older generation.
M-Pesa Foundation ukiro thengio menda maromo milion prabiro gabiro mar chwalo thieth maonge chudo e kaunti sapar kod 2 mapacho kae chenro magisebedo ka gitimo e tudruok kod osuptal mar wang' manolayo